Hi, I'm Heather, the designer behind Especially Paper. Today we're going to make some really cheerful paper daffodils with your cutting machine. You can use a Silhouette, a Cricut, or any machine that accepts SVG files. The template download also includes a PDF file if you prefer to cut by hand. I've designed the template to include 3 different styles of petals and centers, so you can create a variety of daffodils. You can also scale this file to create different sizes. This example was created using the smallest style of flower, and I resized it to be even smaller than the default size to create this miniature display. The petals are just over 1 inch wide. I've already cut all my pieces. I used text weight paper from Astro Bright for the petals, cups, and centers, and I used lightweight cardstock for the leaves. To get started, roll the stamens. If you have a quilling tool, that's helpful, but if not, you can use a floral wire as a guide to roll the strip. Just make sure that the center hole is large enough to slide the rolled stamens onto the floral wire. Add a dab of glue to the bottom of the stamens and slide onto the tip of the wire. Set aside to dry completely. Next, we'll form the cup of the daffodil. Use a bone folder, closed scissor blades, or similar tool to curl the cup of the daffodil. Curling the paper first makes it easier to shape the cup. Form the cup into a partial cone shape and glue. For the first flower style, fold the scallops on the top of the cup. The other styles are not designed to be folded. Now it's time to put together the petals. Glue 2 petal shapes together, aligning the center hole and alternating the petals. 2 of the styles have 2 petal shapes that are exactly the same. The third style has complementing shapes, one shape with rounded petals and one with a more triangular petal shape. Use a bone folder or other tool to gently curl the tips of the petals. Keep the center of the flower flat, curl only about the outer third of the petal. You can control the amount of curl by varying the pressure on the paper. With text weight paper like I'm using here, you only need a light pressure to create the shape. Adhere the cup to the center of the flower. An easy way to do it without excessive glue is to draw a circle of glue on scrap paper and dip the bottom edge of the cup into the glue. A good quality craft glue will also dry clear. I sometimes reverse these steps and glue the cup of the flower while it's flat and then curl the petals. Either approach works. Add a dab of glue to the bottom of the stamens on the floral wire. Slide the flower up against the wire until it's snug against the stamens. Hold in place until it's dry enough to hold on its own. Set aside to dry completely. Once the glue is set, bend the top inch or so of the floral wire to mimic the way daffodils bend their heads. Now that the flower is done, let's work on the leaves. Add shape to the leaves by running them lengthwise over the edge of a table, applying pressure with the palm of your hand. Tables with a square edge work best. If you've made this small style of flowers, try grouping 3 to 5 flowers together and forming a single stem by wrapping with floral tape. I have a love-hate relationship with floral tape, so I also sometimes glue floral wires together. It's messy, but it works if you're using paper or cloth-wrapped floral wires. Now it's time to arrange your finished flowers and leaves. For this arrangement, I made a simple display from a piece of scrap wood. It was left over from a cabinet door, so one edge already had a groove cut into it. I took advantage of that to hide the bottom of the leaves and wires. I drilled holes along the edge inside of the groove. I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial and happy crafting!